Hello, welcome back. That's the new setup. I'm using the same motor, 12 volt DC and about 120 watts of power. I added some magnets to the 8-inch aluminum wheel up front. As you can see, there are 25 magnets, double magnets, each positioned on the opposite side. North, south, north, south. This is the limit that will turn the fan on when it reaches about 90 degrees. And at the bottom, right here, that's the high limit. Basically, the system is gonna work so extremely well. It's like a safety switch. This will shut off the system. This will shut off the motor at about 230 degrees Fahrenheit. That's never gonna happen, but looks good though, right? And that's what I'm gonna be using as my heat exchanger. I drilled some holes. Those are 1/2-inch holes. The heat exchanger is already installed. By heat exchanger I mean the 11 pounds weight, and I would say I'm like 90% done. All I have to do now is just install the fan, the cap, the fan, and turn the baby on and see what happens. That's finished project. Everything is done and ready to go. I painted the cap black, and that's about it. And that's a fan right here. That's a fan. Very small fan, about 120 CFM. We're ready to go. I have no idea how long it will take. This is the temperature we're getting out of the vent, about 75, 89, 80, 84. That's the temperature in the garage. 60, 63, 64. We got about 80, 83. So it took a long time, but once the 11 pounds plate gets heated, the motor itself won't have to work that long, I think. Slowly we're getting lower temperature, and at some point the motor should stop. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care.